Hey guys, here we have the Note 10s. This one's the Note 10 Plus. On my right, we have the Note 10. Just going through the camera modes. Both of them have the same front-facing camera, so it's a 10 megapixel selfie camera. The rear changes a little bit. Note 10 Plus has 4 cameras, quad. The other one has triple camera. Both of them have the ultra wide, the wide angle, and the telephoto. The Note 10 Plus has the depth vision camera. Right now I'm just going through the settings. Both of them start at 256. Also, another thing to keep in mind is that the Note 10 Plus has the Quad HD display versus the Full HD display on the Note 10. Both of them look great, honestly. It's a slightly bit bigger on the Note 10 Plus, but they're great displays. Are beautiful. Same similar camera modes on the Note 10. Also going to the storage. It starts at 256 as well. If you pay $100 more, you get 512 in the Note 10 Plus. That option is not available in the Note 10. Yeah, 256. I mean, that's still a lot considering the S10 started at 128. And this is the new Samsung's super fast charging cube. C to C, so to make it faster, more efficient, versus the USB-A to the C type. So yeah, this one got more powerful. You're going to have to use the new cable, which is C to C. It's more popular. I know the Pixels come with it now. And no more headphone jack. Thankfully, the AKG headphones come with the USB-C connector. And they changed the material on this year's headphones. It's like a braided line versus a rubbery like last year. I mean, they're good. They're good gym headphones. I like to use them for calling. This is the cube for transferring info via Samsung Smart Switch. The box is neatly packaged. It's gotten better over the years. Before it was kind of just thrown in there, so I like it. Let's see, I'm still getting used to the button. So there's no power button on the right side. They moved it over to the left. There's no more Bixby. And here's the S Pen. S Pen feels great. It feels really solid. It doesn't feel plasticky like past years. Here, gestures. It has a gyrometer inside. You can move through PowerPoint slides, pictures. Still feels like pen on paper. I love it. You can put your hand on the screen and draw. So it's great if you're in school or, shopping list, or you're building a car. You need to write stuff down. Note 10. AR Doodle. I want to start using that one. I need to learn more about it. I was just really excited about having the phones. And as you can see, the selfie camera is taking less real estate on the screen. It's just a tiny little dot. Here you can see that only the Note 10 Plus has the SD card slot. This is the Aura Glow color. Note 10 does not have the SD slot. This is the Aura Black. Both of them are nice. Just the Aura Glow just pops and looks like a rainbow, but shiny. And both sizes are available in the same colors. I wish we got the red here in the US. Build quality is great. It feels more rounded compared to the S series, which I like personally, even though I have an S series right now. I like how it's more squared off. Beautiful phone. Vertical camera is great. No headphone jack. That's going to be a hard one to swallow. But you still have wireless charging, wireless power share. Yes, the S Pen on the Aura Glow is blue. Note 10. Screen off. That's my favorite mode. You can just take out the pen, start writing. It's going to save it. No extra steps. So I'm glad they kept that feature. Not a lot of bloatware, thankfully. New Samsung interface works great. That's a little box for the tips for the pen. Here's just a closer view. In case you're wondering, it's the same size, but it doesn't have an SD card slot. S Pen feels great. It feels more solid. Here, beautiful color. Boom. Coming out August 23rd. Pre-orders available now.